Hi everyone, today I'm sharing my experience of getting ILR. I applied for ILR in August 2024. First, it's important to check your eligibility. So, continuous residency. I had lived in the UK for 5 years and left country only for short period of time, and I was eligible to apply for ILR in 2024. So I applied by myself online on Government UK. Before applying, I passed a Life in the UK test and get reference number. My dependent also passed English language test before their application. I paid for priority service to get my decision within 1 week. I do not have any interview. Regarding documents, what I should say, I applied as a skilled worker. At that moment I worked for Greenala Education. I made my application myself online on Government UK. I put all my personal details, address, travel history, migration history, and so on. So also I required a letter from employer with detailing reason for absence. I had 1 week of annual leave, which I spent outside of the UK, and I provide the certificate for funeral absence. Also, I needed a sponsor license number. It's shown in certificate of sponsorship, which provided by employer. Next, I needed standard occupational classification code, also provided by employer. Next document, letter from the sponsor or employer that confirm you still required for the employment for the foreseen future. Also, this letter confirms standard occupational classification code and current rate of pay. Also, I get certificate of sponsorship details from employer, which contains license number, COS code, pay rate details. My employer provided pay slips for the 2 previous months, and I provided 2 bank statements matching these pay slips. Also, you should have your valid passport, all pages photocopy, and bring original to visa center. All documents I uploaded online through visa center web page after submitting application and payment on Government UK. So after payment, there would be a link for book an appointment in visa center, and when you go to this link, you can choose your time in visa application center, and also you should create your account on this visa center web site, and in your account there is an option to upload all your documents. You should upload all documents before going to visit center, so before your appointment. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching.